Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make TikTok format on Capcut PC. First, open Capcut on your personal computer and start a brand new project. This is your canvas. Next, it's crucial to set the correct aspect ratio. For TikTok, you'll want to choose the 9:16 option. This ensures your video fits perfectly on the platform. Finally, bring in all your video clips and images by importing them into your project. You're now ready to begin editing. Now that your media is imported, let's dive into basic editing. Start by trimming your video clips to remove any unnecessary footage and keep your content engaging. TikTok videos are often short and punchy. Next, enhance your video by adding trending music or sound effects from Capcut's extensive library. Audio is key for TikTok success. Don't forget to incorporate text overlays and captions to add context or humor, making your video more accessible and fun. To make your TikTok video truly stand out, explore Capcut's enhancement features. Apply creative transitions between your video segments for smooth and professional-looking cuts. Capcut offers many options to choose from. Next, utilize the wide range of visual effects and filters to give your video a unique style or mood. Finally, adjust your video speed for dynamic slow motion or fast-paced segments, adding an exciting rhythm to your content. Experiment and have fun. You've created an amazing video, and now it's time to export it for TikTok. First, select the export settings to ensure high-quality output. It's crucial to confirm your resolution is set to 1080 by 1920 pixels, which is the standard for TikTok. Also, choose a suitable frame rate, typically 30 or 60 frames per second, for smooth playback. Once exported, your video is ready to be uploaded and shared with the world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.